But in public interest, see, CCTVs, installation of CCTVs has a motive behind it. That in case of any crime occurring, that time the TVs come in proper use basically, and they are useful to identify such criminals or such criminal acts. But when CCTVs are after installation, if they are not functioning, the very purpose of this expenditure is lost.
आमचे मडगांवाक 34 CCTV कॅमेरा बसयिल्ले आहात. आज 6 ते 8 म्हयने जाले CCTV कॅमेरे जे पळय आसा तो एकूय ऑपरेट जायना, एकूय ऑपरेट जायना, एकूय फंक्शन जायना आनी सरकाराचें ताजेर मातशें सुद्दां लक्ष ना.
आनी मेन म्हणजे कितें ह्या बस स्टँडा भितर जे आसा CC कॅमेरा जाय. चोरां जे येता पाकीट मार, हिंगा कितलेशे मनीस बाबड्या रडटा, हिंगा कितलेशे एक्सिडेंट जावन लोक पडटा, तांकां रिक्षाकार वयता उबारपा लागून. हे कित्याक पासत जाता कॅमेरा ना.
CCTV कॅमेरा खंय मडगांव मार्केटांतूय बसोवचे.
आतां जे सगळे म्युन्सिपाल्टीन आनी जे पुलीस स्टेशनान जे कॅमेरा बसयल्ले आसा ते कॅमेरा सगळे आउटडेटेड स्टायलीन बसयल्ले आसा. जे केबल म्हणटा ती सिस्टम ही 5 वर्सां पयलीं फाटली. आतां तेंच्यांनी सगळ्यांनी सॅटेलायट कॅमेरा बसोवपाक जाय. स्टेशनूय तेचेर कांय एक्शन घेना, म्युन्सिपाल्टीचे कांय पडून वचना. गोश्टी एक्सिडेंट मागीर चोरयो मागीर कितें रातची दुकानां फोडटा, पण तांकां तातूंत कांय पडून वचना. कॅमेरा मार्केटांत आसपाक जाय, कित्याक रातचें मार्केट म्हणटा तें टोटली पुलिसाच्या हातीन आसता आनी मार्केट येदें व्हडलें आसा की 4-5 पुलीस कांय मार्केटाक पावना. म्हणजे कॅमेरा हे सामकी तेचेर वॉच दवरपाक 110% उपयोगाचे.
मार्केटाची अशी परिस्थिती जाता, कोणाक पार्किंगा एरिया कोणाक गाडी लावन दिता, कोणाक खंयची मोटरसायकल ते कॅमेराचे आमकां ते दवरपाक मेळटा. एक्चुली आतां 1 वर्स जालें दिसता 34 कॅमेरा बसयलेले आसा, तो एक कॅमेरा चलना.
कलेक्टर सांगता इलेक्शन कोड सोंपुदी कॅमेरा जाग्यार पडटले.
Some sort of a revenue sharing model could be worked out between the municipality and the police department, because the police department was also using these cameras for recording traffic offences and collecting fines. The proposal is gone. Hopefully we'll see what we can do about it. In the meantime, we had also constituted a committee which was to go to each of the municipalities and do us a recce on what exactly, how many cameras are working, how many are not working, whether any systems required upgrade, because we also had some report that some of the systems were old and you couldn't identify the vehicles properly using the system because they were not having very good resolution. So all these things were worked out, but I think because of the election, the last 1.5 month, 2 months, nothing has happened. We'll revive it now.
पुडंटा खातीर मडगांवच्यान सावय डायस.